Hi friends!
Welcome back to AmandaMuse. Just kidding, this is my show now, AmandaMuse.
It's Mother's Day coming up, like on Sunday. I scoured the internet. I found a blog post from the lovely thesamanthashow.com and she has 25 questions to ask your kids on Mother's Day, and I thought we could do that, and I'm hoping to have Jack pop in here to ask him some questions. That's Jack. Hi Jack.
Hey.
How's it going?
Good.
First question. How old are you?
I'm 8 years old. 6.
You're 6 years old. What is something Mommy always says to you?
She always says make your bed, but then I never do. And then
Do I say that?
You always say clean your room, but like I don't.
Who does?
You.
Aren't you lucky? Give me a kiss. Give me a smoochy kaboochie. Put on some pants. What makes Mommy happy?
Me?
You do.
Coffee. Coffee makes you happy.
It does. It does.
And sitting on the couch with coffee and in your phone makes you happy.
That's a good moment.
You make me happy.
It's wonderful. Okay, next question. How do I make you laugh? It's raining. It's pouring. So Esme is about 7 months old or something, 8 months, or maybe bigger than that. She's quite a tank. You're a tank of a child. It's delicious. But we're sitting in a chair giggling, and you'll notice there's so many comments about this on that video. But then everyone's like, oh, the baby has hiccups. Well, babies get hiccups. She still gets the hiccups when she laughs too hard.
It's very true.
Or if I do accents. Do you know what Mom was like as a child?
She had dark hair.
I did actually. In fact, now that we've dyed your hair and it's kind of toned a bit ashy, I'm like, that's kind of my hair color.
I've got ash hair.
My hair is an ash brown.
I sticked my head in a fire and it turned into this.
Moving on.
Okay.
How old am I?
36. You were 36 in a week.
Yes. How tall am I?
How am I supposed to know that?
Yes. 5 foot.
8.
We got it.
Oh my god.
Well done. What is my favorite thing to do?
Look on Instagram and drink coffee. Play with kids.
I do like to play with my kids.
You like to birds.
I like birds. I do. What does Mom do when you're not around?
She works and drinks coffee.
Jesus, do you think all I do is drink coffee? And it is kind of all I do. But I also enjoy working out, going for walks.
Oh, and she enjoys showering with soap.
Thank goodness. Moving on. If Mom becomes famous, what am I going to be famous for?
Call people meatballs.
What? For calling people a meatball?
Being a good person, of course.
Oh, say that a little louder for the people in the back.
Being a good person, of course!
You're a meatball! And then I get famous? Yeah, okay. Accurate. What is your mom really good at?
She's really good. Nothing. Drawing.
Drawing?
No.
I wouldn't say that's my skill.
Being a mother, being a YouTuber, being a workaholic, being a coffeer.
Coffee drinker, coffee maker.
Punching people.
Oh, I just walk over and go, really? You're such a little nuka.
Being like a woman!
What is Mom not very good at?
Where your pants on?
Putting pants on, putting your pants on, because he always takes them off. I'm wearing pants.
Sleeping.
What?
You go to sleep at like 2 a.m.
Oh, because I don't go to bed. Well, to be fair, I probably could get some more sleep. What does Mom do for a job?
She's a YouTuber. Oh, yeah, YouTube.
YouTube. What is Mom's favorite food?
Coffee.
Oh my God, enough with the coffee. What else? What do I like to eat?
You enjoy broccoli.
Ooh, I do really like broccoli. Roasted broccoli.
Yes. And you also enjoy the pasta.
The pasta in the belly is
The
delicious.
pasta, it just goes.
It makes me so thick and nice and full in love.
Spaghetti.
I do love spaghetti. Me and you love spaghetti. High five me, bro. Yeah. Oh, just came with the side one. What makes you proud of Mom?
Nothing.
You're not proud of me for anything?
No.
Just think of one thing.
No.
You're like, oh my God, Mom did that. I'm so proud of her.
I'm not.
Mom put pants on. I'm so proud of her. You know what? I'm proud of you when you put pants on. It's a mutual thing.
When she puts her work aside and she just bees with me.
Aww.
I was gonna put my arm around you, but then I'm like, coronavirus!
Coronavirus! If Mom was a cartoon character, who would she be?
I'm leaning towards Belle.
I will take it.
Because Dad's a beast.
Mom married the beast. Oh God.
Did they actually get married?
Yeah, they did. Remember, he like floats up in the air and becomes a man. Spoiler alert.
You would be Captain Underpants.
Captain Underpants. Rude. What do we like to do together? You and me.
Jump on trampoline.
Trampoline jumping is fun.
We like to look at TikTok.
Oh, we do. Oh, we do TikTok dances. High five.
Kim,
What kind of high five is that? We do TikTok dances and we're awesome.
I was gonna hate
You gotta check out our TikTok dances on Instagram.
We did one just
or on
yesterday.
TikTok. Yeah, it was fun. It's hard to do. Hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it. How are we the same? Anything we have in common?
We're white.
We're white. So in our family, Dean has olive complexion. So Esme and Dean are both kind of dark. And me and Jack, we match the walls. Yeah.
We're both funny. We're both women. We're both strong.
Oh my God, with the yelling.
I'm sorry.
How are we different? What's different about us?
We don't have the same last name.
Fair enough.
I have a mohawk.
Truth. A mohawk, and I wear pants. How do you know that I love you?
Because you made me.
I did make this little face. You make this silly face. This Jack is a professional frowner, in case you didn't notice. He's very good at it. I do. I tell you that I love you often.
So that means that you can't hate me if you literally tell me all the time.
Literally. What does Mom like most about Dad?
Oh, yeah, the girlfriend and boyfriend.
He's my boyfriend. I just like his face. It's a good face.
That he's handy.
He is handy.
That he works like a tool.
If you can't be handsome, you may as well be handy. Okay. What is Mom's favorite place to go? Where's my favorite place to go?
You like to go to the mall.
No, not you. Me. Where do I like to go?
Valley Village.
I do like Value Village. It's kind of weird that you said that because we're stuck in quarantine and I'm desperate to go buy t-shirts.
Oh, yeah, exactly.
Exactly. Where are you going?
You like where to go to work. You like to go to work.
I do like to go to work things in Toronto. I always have fun leaving. Okay.
There's nowhere you like to go. You like to be here.
No, I enjoy here. I also enjoy not being here. How old was I when you were born?
You were 27.
Was I? Yeah.
Yes.
Do you know?
20.
29. 29. What is Mom's favorite video? What? Video game? What is Mom's favorite video game?
Sonic.
Oh, yeah. Oh, my God. Well done.
Sonic.
These kids are so smart. Jeez Louise. What is your wish for Mom?
To stop drinking coffee.
What?
My wish for you is to open your mind to getting me an iPhone 11.
Nope. Okay. Okay, well, those were 25 questions. Thanks for being here.
Can we do more?
No, that's it.
Happy Mother's Day and Dad's Day.
No, it's not Father's Day. Fathers get their own day. Thanks for being on my video. I love you. Goodbye.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell and hit the thumbs up if you like it.
And what do we want to wish to all the moms out there?
Merry Christmas. Merry Mother's Day. Merry Mother's Day.
Here's something funny. Somebody sent me a message the other day. I burst out laughing. She was like, so it was my birthday not long ago, and this person messaged me and wrote, Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, Amanda. I was like, thank you. And she responded, she goes, I have no idea why I said Merry Christmas. I thought I was typing happy birthday. And I was like, girl, I feel you. As mamas, you get tired. And you think it's Christmas because we've been stuck in our houses for too many days. And I love your face, but I can't wait to miss it because I see it every 5 seconds. Look, oh, I forgot what you look like. Hey, oh, no, I can't see. Okay, we need to go. All right, guys, keep it real. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, guys.